Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the exact channel, chat, or meeting where the notes will live. Click the plus tab or the built-in Notes/OneNote option to add a notebook. This creates a persistent space. When prompted, pick Shared for team access, Private for your use, or Meeting Notes to attach to a meeting. Name it clearly using a short prefix. Once done, sync permissions so teammates can edit. Make sure to create an initial page structure so organization starts clean and searchable. Now you build structure. Create sections and pages for topics, sprints, or phases so content stays scannable. Use headings and bullet lists to capture action items. Add tags like important or question to prioritize. Convert items to to-dos or checklists when they require follow-up. Invite collaborators by mentioning them in the notes or assign tasks directly. Set edit or view permissions to avoid accidental overwrites. Once changes are made, explain expectations for updates. Finish by reviewing for completeness, exporting pages, or copying a shareable link into the channel so everyone has a single source of truth. Use version history to audit edits and restore prior content if something was removed by mistake. This preserves accountability. If notes don't sync or tabs disappear, first confirm permissions, then test on another device and clear Teams cache. If the issue persists, re-add the tab or reconnect OneNote. These steps usually resolve access and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.